Hey, friends, spring cleaning time. Maybe clean out my throat. I can't even talk. What's wrong? Anyway, it is spring
Spring.
cleaning
It
time.
is spring.
I hate
Yes.
cleaning, but anyway,
Oh God, I
it
know.
is.
Because
It is kind of fun, though, isn't it, to clean out your closet and get rid of crap?
I think once it's done,
Once it's
once it's
done,
in
it
the
feels like,
process,
oh,
I get a little. My nervous system gets a little activated, going, let it go, let it go,
yes.
let it
Oh,
go,
but
because I
but I
guess I'm
love
not
that. I
used
love
to it.
that thing. I love it so much, but well, I don't ever wear that. I don't. Why would I keep it? I have clothes from like before I moved to
Oh
the
God,
overseas. How long have I been overseas? Over 25 years.
25 years. Oh
That's
yeah, you
ridiculous.
schlepped that shit around with you. You
I've
did.
schlepped that shit everywhere. It's in boxes now. So I think instead of opening and cleaning out those boxes, I'm just going to burn them.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Sometimes if you don't know what you're missing, you don't miss it, right? Isn't that it?
That's
Isn't that
right.
it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I know, because last week
And
we were talking about making lists of things we don't want in our lives,
yes.
right? And
Yes.
how to live better, how to value ourselves better. So I think this week we're going to transition, the
Oh,
transformation,
oh, oh.
and let's look in those closets. Oh God, that's scary.
Yeah. Get
I'm
that
scared.
stuff out of there. Anyway, we are Take Two Tuesdays here to talk
Yes.
about transformation this time,
Yes.
this series, right?
Yes.
And I'm Mary, and
I'm Jan. Yes, we
today
are
we're
take
talking
two.
about
We're
cleaning out your
talking over each
closet.
other.
Talking over each other as usual. But cleaning out not only your closet, but also
Mm,
connections you have, things that
yes.
don't really fit in your life anymore. And really
Yeah.
thinking about, like last week we talked about that. What do you really value? What's important to you and what's important to keep? And so thinking about all the ways you've shifted in your life, because if you've lived
Yeah.
more than 10 years, which I assume you all have, you've
If you
shifted.
haven't, you need to turn this episode off.
Because I don't think
Turn it
this is
off
too
now.
relevant either.
I'm telling your mom. Telling your mom.
Anyway, think about what's shifted in your life and how that looks different
Yeah.
in you and what's with you. Like that, I don't know if you ever watched that Marie Kondo, I think was her name. She talked about sorting out your closet very precisely. She'd do like just the sock
Oh,
day. Oh my God,
yes.
I've
Oh
tried
my
to do that,
God.
but it just makes me crazy.
It lasts a
Anyway,
day. It
yeah.
lasts a day.
I just said, ask yourself, does this spark joy? And
Oh,
everything sparks joy.
I,
That's the
right?
problem.
I know. Damn.
But there's more
But
to it, right, Jan?
yeah. So, well, I know for me right now, I am looking forward. I'm reframing this. Looking forward to a move. I'm moving from where I am right now, and we'll size down a little bit. I don't need this much space, and so what I feel like was speaking to me was I need to exit with grace and integrity.
Oof.
And so I'm going to start saying no to the things I need to say no to so that makes space for the things I need to say yes to, because I
Mhm.
could let these circumstances of what's happening now and here control and freak me out and send my mindset in a crazy thing, or I can take charge. I can
Yeah.
take action. And I think sometimes just taking that one step, right? Taking that one thing will help you begin the process of shaking loose those old stories or the way your old self would
Mm.
react or even respond to circumstances. Life is life and it's going to happen, right? Life is going to
Yeah.
happen.
And that's
Yeah.
a really bold thing, Jan. It's really bold. It's
Whew.
courageous to just abandon things because they don't fit and not even have things yet to fill those spaces,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
just trusting that the good things that you need in your life now are coming.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I needed to
Yes.
hear that today.
Yes, you did. I mean, I know when we took
Oh,
off for Kazakhstan, we sold our house and had a big yard sale and got rid of all these belongings. And it was
oh,
scary
whew.
because
Yeah.
we didn't really know what was next. And we were leaving behind what we did. I mean, we didn't know. Do we need this life? And
Yeah.
so taking
It's
bold action like
interesting
that. Yeah.
because my oldest is just did this, and he was in the airport getting ready to. He was moving to New Zealand, and he said, "Mom, my whole life are in these two suitcases. Well, three suitcases because he had a carry on."
Oh,
And it's like, damn, okay.
damn, you're young. You only have
I,
two suitcases.
well,
Haven't
he had,
accumulated much.
I know, and he had to let go because I know that he treasured his turntable and his albums. I still have some of the
Hmm.
albums, but there were some things that he treasured that he had to let go of.
Yeah,
And yeah, so I'm thinking, damn, if he can do it, I can do.
absolutely. I mean, and that's another piece of your life that's changing. I mean, your
Yeah.
kids moving out and on and
Ooh,
doing
ooh,
their own cleaning house, and
yeah,
then you right behind them. I think it's pretty cool.
yeah. It's
And
yeah.
yes. And
Damn it.
this episode is about agency and taking charge of your life. And
Yeah,
even the smallest aligned action that says, I'm worth it. I'm worth this better version of my life. Even
yeah.
if it just means getting rid of some old socks or whatever you're getting rid of.
Thank you. Right,
Get rid of the
right.
things that don't matter.
Yeah. Oh, what is it?
Yeah.
Well, I will take. Yeah, yeah. Just get rid of. Even if they did matter, I'm going to throw this little disclaimer in there because I can get it that a little attachment or whatever. Even if it
Hmm.
did matter, is
Oh,
it?
my socks. Sorry. I don't mean
I
to be
have
serious.
sentimental value with fucking socks. I wore these then. Okay, so I'm a great great. But anyway, so with that, I just have to ask myself: is this aligning with my level up? Is this aligning with who you're becoming? And
Hmm.
sometimes it just doesn't, and that's okay. Even if it feels
Yeah.
uncomfortable, it's
Yeah.
okay.
And that
So,
includes relationships, people,
oh,
which is maybe the
geez.
hardest one. And that's where you're talking about that exiting with grace. You don't just,
Yeah.
I'm
Yep.
done with you, but, you know,
Well, delete.
being kind. But yeah.
But but even in that, I stay clean on my side of the street. And yeah,
Mhm.
so last week we had we talked about making lists of what we
Yeah.
want in our lives and what do we do next. Because I have used what you and Robert did. Who did I? Oh, with my son's girlfriend. I was telling her about that story, how y'all
Oh,
made that list together and
yeah.
how you just lived as if.
Yeah.
You just lived
Live
as if.
as if.
And
Yep.
I think that helps keep us simplifying things. It challenges us and holds us accountable to
Mm.
simplify, you
Hmm.
know?
Because, boy, we can
Oh, I don't know.
complify really well. Can't we? Jeez.
This little brain of mine, it's that overthinking just can just zoop, zoop, zoop. Oh my gosh. And so I don't know. We could talk about the list of simplifying, make a flourishing list of habits and people's
People.
and environments that help you thrive. That finding
Hmm.
that place of ooh, this energy is off now. Oh, but this energy is
This
spot
feels
on. Yeah,
good. Yeah, this feels
that's
right.
good.
Yeah, and that's changes so much in your life. So it's
Yeah,
really important to, I don't know, even if you meditate, to just to pause
yeah.
and give yourself 10
Pause.
minutes to just let those kinds of things come into your mind. Like, what do I really want in my life?
Yeah. You know what I struggle with, and what keeps coming up in just different either podcasts or reels or posts or what have you is, and I think we have a problem over here in the Western world of rest.
Yeah.
There's such reset in the rest, and I don't have to keep performing.
Yeah.
I can rest, and
Hmm.
that's my level up, right? I don't
Yeah.
know. Whew, I used to feel guilty for resting.
Yep. It's an American mindset
Is
for
it? Is it?
sure.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Oh, it's not European.
Yeah.
European mindset is much more like take breaks when you can, the shorter
Yeah.
work week. In France, the long vacations, like the month of August, always
Yes.
everybody takes, and
Wow.
there's frequent breaks during the year, and people just do it, and they're not
And
guilty about it.
think it
They
well,
work, they work hard, and
and then you need the rest and the
they
recharge.
need the rest.
My son was talking about his colleague that's in New Zealand that came from the U.S. She's like, I think it was, I'll just throw out a number. There was 3 months. She was there 3 months working, and they're like, okay,
Hmm.
it's time for your break. And she's like, what? Especially in that
Oh,
business, especially in the food business and that
yeah.
industry, they don't rest. And they're like, yeah, you need to take about 10 days off.
She's like,
What?
what? Are you firing me?
And so that is what I'm challenging myself with my reset
Mm, nice.
and learning where it's okay. I desire that
Yeah.
rest. I don't, and to recharge. What's something you can
Yeah.
reset? What do you think? Do you have something
For
off,
me,
yeah, off the
that
top of your head?
actually, I've been doing it lately. Just I like to, after I've been working hard in the morning, then I just go I eat lunch and lay down for like 15 minutes. I'm not napping or
Oh,
anything, but
yes.
just
Right.
I'm listening to something. I don't know, doing something small,
Oh, I love that.
relaxing. And
Ah,
then
I
I get up
love
and I have
that.
much more energy and I'm so much more productive and
Yeah.
engaged with what I'm doing. So I think it's
Yes.
really important. I've never been a rester, never was a napper. My mother will tell you, she's
Oh
like,
my
Mary
God.
Catherine, couldn't you please take a nap? No.
I love naps, but I
No,
do.
you do.
Oh, I love that. And but
um,
it's only like a 15, 20. It's that, right?
yeah.
It's that, and it's not long naps. I
And
don't
that's
do
enough,
long
isn't
naps.
it? Does it
Yeah,
pop
it
up
is.
and be
Yeah.
refreshed? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're asking you, where can you reset your life and
Yeah.
what do you desire that to be? Like feeling it, your desire, your dreams of that reset. And it might be
Hmm.
challenging. I mean,
Yeah.
resting and recharging, I can grab that nap, but I'm talking sometimes I just need to be freaking quiet.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah. And
I'm
thinking about also what you want to transform in your life. I mean, it's
yes,
that idea of getting rid of things is about
yes,
transforming yourself. Like, what are you
yes,
preparing for? What's next for
yes.
you?
Yeah.
Always have that in mind.
Yes, because it'll bring you clarity. I know it's
Yeah.
bringing me clarity. It'll bring you
Yeah.
clarity. So the transformation of this will bring you clarity to keep moving forward. Hey, hey,
Hey, yay,
hey.
yay. Good job.
Oh my God. Have we talked long enough? I think we've talked
I
long
think
enough.
so. We've said enough. Next
Thank you
week,
for
we'll be back with
listening.
more on transformation.
Yes, yes. We will see you next week. And as always, we appreciate you and your time.